Hello, Achieve. Happy Thursday. Today is Thursday, December 3rd, and we're going to continue talking about academic tenacity as soon as we finish with our Pledge of Allegiance. So, everybody, please stand, salute, and pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Okay, have a seat. All right, so I know all week you guys have been looking at pictures of Mrs. Baber's dog, Roxy. She's a Jack Russell Terrier, and they are very tenacious, and you guys are learning about tenacity, so good connection there. So here's a picture of Roxy on the back. I'm not sure if that's Mrs. Baber or if it's her daughter, Abby. But there's Roxy staying really focused. I'm going to enlarge that a little bit so you can see her face. Look at that. Super focused on what she's doing there. All right. And so we're going to talk a little bit about that too, about how we can stay focused and how we can stay engaged in the stuff that we're learning at school. So sometimes school can be boring and the stuff that you're learning might not really feel like it's something that you're going to use later in life. And so it's pretty hard to stay engaged with it and to keep plugging away and trying to get the stuff done. So there's some ways that you can help improve that engagement for yourself. And one of them is related to what we talked about with relevance of school, where when you're setting goals for yourself, and especially long-term goals, and try to make connections between the stuff that you're learning now and how that might help you later in life, that can really help you to stay engaged with what you're learning. And sometimes the stuff that you're learning in school isn't actually about the schoolwork itself. It's not really about the content of the schoolwork. That itself might not be something that you're going to use later, but the skills that you're developing as you're learning the material is the really important stuff. So there's a lot of skills that you learn at school that you're going to use throughout your life that aren't even related to the schoolwork. So I made a list of some of those things that I learned in school. And I want to just kind of get you jump started thinking this way, that, there's a lot of stuff that you might learn. And that's what I want you to discuss today, is what are some of the skills that you learn in school that you're going to use throughout your life that might not even be related to the actual schoolwork or the actual content. So some ideas that I learned in school, I learned how to research stuff, like topics that I didn't know anything about. That I learned how to get information to learn more on my own without anyone having to show me how. I also learned how to use my time well, because in school you have a lot of different stuff that you have to do all the time, and throughout your life you're going to have a lot of busyness that you're going to have to know how to manage your time in order to get all that stuff done. So those are just a couple of examples of things that I learned in school. So what have you guys learned or are continuing to learn that aren't even related to the schoolwork itself? Have a discussion about that. All right, thanks, Achieve. Have a great day.